Good morning, guys. It's early in the morning, and for some reason, I've never really been bothered by it before, but lately, every time I pick up the camera and I see how horrible I look, I'm just like, no vlogging today. I'm out of breath just from walking around the bed. Like, that's... Jesus. So yeah, I've just been not really reaching for the camera that often for my vlogs. I'm actually still editing vlogs from like about 3-ish weeks ago. And, but I just decided to pick up the camera and just talk and just see what happens. I'm trying not to look at myself doing it right now. Don't do it, girl. Don't do it. But you know what? If you gotta look at me, then I'm gonna look at me too, so that we're not all in this nightmare alone. Anyway, I don't usually tear myself down like that, but I'm just trying to, I guess, lighten the mood for myself. But anyway, yeah, I just haven't been reaching for the camera, but we're gonna do it because I have a lot to do today in the house, and actually I haven't left the house in a while, which is not usually like me. Not for any reason other than I just haven't had to leave. But I've just kind of noticed now, I'm just like, wow, like I haven't really left. So anyway, but I have a lot to do today, basically a lot of cleaning, and I knew that if I picked up this camera that it would really help me and motivate me. So thank you guys, because trust me, if I didn't have my YouTube channels, I probably wouldn't be as productive as I am. I tried. I really did try to wear a different hat, but I don't have hats to go with every outfit. That sounds really bougie, but you know, I don't know. I'm such a I need to make sure it matches, that I do envy the people who can just throw different patterns and stuff together and make it look great, but I'm just not good like that. Yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna be just doing cleaning and packing, so I just don't want to be wearing jeans. I want to be comfortable. I've got my tights on, and then it's like a squad day. I've got the Golden Girls on. It's my favorite like white t-shirt because it's just the right length. And then, you know, House Ravenclaw. And then I had to go with a black hat just to balance it out. Like, that's it. I took a shower and didn't wash my hair. Did that come out correctly? I did not wash my hair. And I washed my face, brushed my teeth, and all I did was put moisturizer on. I didn't do a mask, but I got my lip balm on, and I've got a little bit of mascara on. So I feel somewhat, you know, put together. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get the bed made, get everything nice, maybe a little dusting. Today, instead of doing music while I clean, I'm just going to leave all of the natural sounds, you know, that I make as I'm cleaning for you guys. So hopefully that will be relaxing for you. I'm confused. right, the room is all clean. We got the bed made. I dusted off camera. So I took care of the nightstands, the top over here, and then this countertop as well. And then I also dusted the top part of the TV, got the floors vacuumed. So this room just feels great. Honestly, if my bedroom is not done, I just feel like my rooms have to match up to my mind, or my mind has to match up to my rooms. You know, if they're clutter and busy, then my mind feels like that. So it feels great. We're done checking this room off. All right, next up is the living room. This is actually how I do this as a daily routine. I always start in the back of the house and then I make my way this way through the kitchen, typically in the dining room if I need to clean it, but you can see I have still my Christmas stuff that needs attention, and then I'll go into the office. I'll then vacuum here, vacuum the hallway, and then head off to the laundry room for any laundry. So let's go ahead and take care of the next space. Excuse me. And we'll get this tidied up. I have all of my planners here, and I like to just keep them wherever I go. As you saw, I brought them in from the bedroom, and then that's because I was obviously sleeping there last night. And then in the morning, I bring it back out into the living room. And then just like I did it in my bedroom, I will grab the same linen spray that I sprayed on my bed. It is called Peaceful. It is a calming lavender scent, and I get these from Tuesday Morning. And I'm just going to spray couches, pick up Loxie's toy. All right, so we've got the living room done. We put up the blanket. I still end up using this blanket because it's just so soft, but I really do need to put it away. And I got the pillows all tidied up, got my stuff where they need to be, all of my controllers, my planners. Yeah, everything was pretty much clean in here. I took this blanket out. My daughter no longer wanted it, and because I've been going through stuff, asking her like for the move, not for the move kind of thing. And so I decided to give it to Loxie, and she really loves it. I think she prefers blankets over beds, and she also can't eat it, which is really good too. But anyway, I took it outside and shook it out a little bit just to get some extra hair off of it. And then as you can see, I swept the vacuum through, and you saw me do the linen spray. And then as per usual, I have my essential oil, and today I picked this one. It's called Stress Relief. I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah, so we'll see how well this works. I'm not like too stressed, but lately I've just been kind of overwhelmed, so we'll see how well that works for me. But yeah, so it's got all the colors. It's rotating. It's yellow right now. It's about to turn green, I think, and then it will continue through all of its colors. Usually at this point I will put on something on the TV, but because I'm trying to do natural sounds without any voiceover, without any music for you guys, I'm not gonna put anything on. This is a pile of clothes that my daughter left behind, and it needed to be washed, so I just need to take that upstairs, but I'm not ready to take it upstairs just yet because I'm not going upstairs. And I like to be efficient as possible. I don't want to make extra trips if I don't have to. So I will take that up when we migrate up there. But now I am going to sweep the vacuum through this room, through that room, and then through the hallway. All right, so I went ahead and vacuumed the entryway and the office, and then I had to charge my camera a little bit, so I also took care of the sink, and I'll show you guys how nice it looks. Got all the dishes loaded up, got the sink cleaned, and then I have some more dishes that I need to put up, but I haven't done haul of the day in a really long time, so haul of the day. Yeah, so I've just kind of, you know, had a no spend January kind of concept, and I've been really surprised, honestly, with my efforts, because I really have not spent anything other than like for Dollar Tree. Even this I purchased, I want to say in December, and I just got it because it's from AliExpress. So it is, well, they are stencils, and it's just a huge pack of them. I don't remember what I paid. I'll try to throw it up here or leave it in the like comments box. But I was searching, you know, I was getting really into all of those bullet journaling things that I was buying off of Amazon, and when I went to AliExpress, their stencils were really cheap. So as you can see, yeah, so I didn't want to start my bullet journaling with too much freehand work because I didn't think that I would like it if I had to do it that much in the beginning. Oh, and look, they even number the stencils, 19, 18. Wow, that's interesting. Yeah, but you can just see all the stencil things that you get here. This is a whole, like, it all came together in this one pack. You get all the banners, boxes. This was like really one of the ones I wanted to go for. Look how fantastic that is. Yeah, all of those. Then you get all of these little things, the sun, blah, blah, blah. More boxes. Yeah, I was just really excited about it, but it took, this one, I ordered a couple of things actually from AliExpress, but I never ended up showing them to you guys. I got a couple bracelets. I got some stickers that I can actually show you because I still have them out. They're Harry Potter stickers. So anyway, those are the stencils that I got. And here are the Harry Potter stickers. I actually have not even opened them. I think these were very inexpensive as well, and I got the whole pack. They seem very nice. This like white piece actually pops out, so it'll be even, yeah, like just try to imagine that, I guess, not being there. And then you get all kinds of things, little potion bottles. You guys are like directly, hang on, you were directly under a lamp, so it was just distorting the color. There we go. Isn't that awesome? Look how cute these are. Yeah, and there's Harry. Yeah, so here's Gryffindor. Here's me, Ravenclaw. Here's more Ravenclaw. Here is what I believe is Hufflepuff. Here's more Ravenclaw. Here's Slytherin, which is my daughter's house. Comment down below and let me know what house you are. If you want to know what house you are, I think you gotta go to Pottermore is the website, and then just answer the quiz, and then it will sort you into your house, and it will also pick like your wand and all kinds of other things, and confirmed. Anyway, that's all of the day.